In the previous video, we did part 3 of lesson 1, that was deficiency from 10. In this video, we'll do part 4, that is mental addition. That's coming up. In addition, if we have to add these two numbers, let's say 57 plus 27, you can do it in your head like there are 5 tens or 50 or 2 and 2 tens, that's 20, so 50 and 20 is 70. So 70 should be in your mind right now, and then this is 7 units and then 7 units. 7 is, in our previous lesson we did 7 is close to 10 and is 3 below or 3 short of 10. So adding 7 to 7 will make it 10. That 3 that we added to this 7 we got from the other 7, so it became 4. So 10 plus 4 will give us 7 plus 7. First 10 should be in your mind, and then 4 remaining out of this 7 will make it 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. So don't add 7 plus 7, add 10 plus 4. This 7 right away we can make it 10, and then whatever is balance here we add to 10. So we have 70 and we have 7 plus 7, that is 14. So 70, so 7 tens and 14 units, and you can add them to make it 84. Or let's say you can also do, you can add 5 to 2, you make it 7, sorry 5 to 2, 7, and then 7 plus 7 is 14, so you can write 14 like that, it's carried, then add 7 and this one to make it 84. Let's do one more. 48 plus 45, 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 5 is 13, so I will write 13 like that, and then 8 plus 1 is 9 and this 3 will make it 93. Now the practice I am giving you, if it's okay if you are doing it by writing in the beginning, but after some time eventually you should be able to do it in your head. Okay, try to do it in your head, but if not possible, then go easy on yourself. Don't do a lot daily. If you spend 10 to 15 minutes daily is fine. If in one video there are more than one, there is more than one practice, do one practice daily and digest it before going to the next practice. It's not necessary to complete one video per day. The main thing is not like I'm just telling you, if you are doing 15 minutes daily for 4 days, let's say, it becomes 1 hour. And if you are doing 2 hours one day and nothing on the next 3 days, it becomes 2 hours of total practice or total videos, but this will get you in the long run in mental calculations, and this will discourage you. So go slow, 10 to 15 minutes daily is fine. Okay, do this practice, then we'll move on. Now in completing the whole, let's say I'm giving you a little puzzle here. Okay. Now this makes up 10 also, and 4 boxes are here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 boxes are here. Total 4 boxes are there. Okay. First one I'll write it for you. You will get the idea, and there are total 8 combinations here. I'm just writing what 3 digits add up to 10. Before we did 2 digits, right? We made pairs. Now don't go in any particular order. Let's say I give you 1, 3, let's say 1 plus 3 is 4 and 6 here. So 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 6 is 10, and you can repeat also. Digits can be repeated. Complete this puzzle and then we'll move on. Okay. If you have more than 2 numbers to add, if you have 6 plus 7 plus 4, let's say these are the numbers, right away instead of adding 6 and 7 and then 13 plus 4 is 17, instead of that 6 and 4 is our pair, so it makes up 10, and then in our mind right away we can make them 10 and plus 7 is 17. That will be our answer. This addition you should do it in 1 second or less in your head. Let's do one more. 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5. Now 3 plus 2, if you have completed this puzzle, you know 3, 2 and 5. This is a group that made up make 10. So now 10 plus 6 is 16. This addition also should take like 1 or 2 seconds. That's it. This and this are gone because they make up 10, and then there is 6. You add that 6 to 10 and the answer is 16. Do some practice and then we'll move on. Whenever we learn some new technique, we practice and then we move on. If you don't practice and just watch the videos, after a few days you will forget everything. And it's same as swimming or driving. All the skills you have to practice. It's not enough to just know the techniques. Before moving on, always complete the practice. If you are short of time, stop there. Don't do the video. You can complete it next day, but don't leave the practice. You will only get the benefit of this course with practice. Okay, let's say we are adding 19 plus 7 plus 1. So I know 9 and 1 is a pair. So if I hide this 1, so 9 plus 1 is pair 10, but 9, it's not 9, it's 19. We can do that also. 19 and 1 are pair and they make up 20. 9 plus 1 is 10 and this 10 is already there, so it's 20. So we can do this completing the whole thing with any multiple of 10 also. So 28 makes, and then 7 will make it 27. Let's say 34 plus 4 plus 22. So instead of adding 38 to 4 and then to the result we add 22, let's see 8 and 2 is a pair. So 30 and 20 is 50 and we have a pair. So 60 plus that pair is 70 plus 4 is, sorry, 30 and 20 is 50, and then we have this pair. So 60 and we have 4, 64, not 74. Okay, do this practice and then we'll move on. Okay, if we add up columns of number like 27 plus 35 plus 43 plus 82. If we add them, if I'm adding this units column, right away I know that 7 and 3 is my pair, it's 10. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So 10 and 7 is 17. So I will write it like that. This one is carried. Okay. So 2, 3, 4 and 8, right away I know 8 and 2 is my pair. So this is 10 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17 and this carry added to that will make it 18. 187, that's your answer. If we add, let's say, let's do some practice and then we'll move on. One more thing I want to do in this video. Suppose we have 824, 656, 83, 38, let's say. We have to add these numbers. So we know 4 and 6 is pair and 8 and 3 is 8 is 2 short of 10, so we'll make it 10 and 2 take away from 3, this becomes 1, so 10 and 1 is 11 and already we have 10 here, 11 and we jump 10, it will make it 21. So 1 here and 2. What I'm telling is this should be going on in our mind when we adding these. In your mind this should be going on, otherwise it should take, after a little practice, it should take a split of a second to add these columns of numbers. Now 8 plus 2 is 10, so 8 and 2 is our pair, so 5 and 3 is 8, 10 and 8 is 18 and this 2 will make it 20, 2 carried, and then I will make this 8 10 because this is 2 short of 10 and 2 taken away from 6 will make it 4, so 14 plus 2 is 16. 1601. Let's do some more practice. Mental calculation is all practice. You can say it's another name of practice. If you are struggling with numbers or mathematics, this video is for you. And if you are good with numbers, this video is even more for you because you can help others. In the next video, we'll do by addition and by subtraction. That's actually the Vedic formula also. See you in the next video.